Well, hello there. So my name is Edward Bacon, and I'm the director of the International Language Center here at Rangsit University. So what this is this is the university's peer assisted learning center. So this is where students get help with their language skills from other students. All right. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to talk about this is a tutorial on how to create an appointment at the International Language Center. So, which is located in Building 7, room 101. So this is the library building. All right, so let's get started here. All right, so what you want to do is first you want to go to the website, okay, and then I'll post the actual website. I'll post a link to it at the end of the video. All right, so then yeah, what you want to do first of all is you want to enter in your information. So before you go to the website, you want to create groups of 5 students. Okay. So preferably for probably your friends who you'd like to come to the language center with. So create each group has 5 students, and then you're going to choose one person is going to be the leader of the group, and so they're the ones that are going to book the appointments for for the group. So the leader is going to go to the website, type in the group name, the leader line ID, the leader student ID number, and then your major. Okay. Then you're also going to select the course code. Okay, and also the section number. All right. Okay. So that's the information we need about you guys. Then what you're going to do, this is where you schedule all of your appointments. Okay. And so all you do is you select the day, the date, and the time. Okay. So what you really want to do is you want to select all of your appointments for the whole term. Okay, because that way you can make sure your time is reserved. Yeah, so you can create all 10 appointments for this, and if you came last week, then you only need to choose 9 appointments. All right. Okay, so you're going to keep selecting your appointments by clicking the next appointment. All right. But then once you selected all of your appointments, that's where you click the submit button. Okay. But there's 2 things that I recommend. So number one, take a screenshot of all your appointments. So that way you can easily remember your appointments. Okay. Number two, I would also recommend at the end of each session, go to the team leader at the language center and just confirm your next week's appointment. So you just go there and say, "Hey, excuse me, can I confirm next week my appointment is at this time?" And then what your team leader is going to do is they're going to check online. They'll check online, confirm it. All right, only take a couple minutes. But yeah, so that's about it. Yeah. So also one more here. This is the website. You can type in the URL, or you can also just scan the QR code. You do that, you go to the website, boom, you're there. Okay, so yeah, so just to remind you, for most of you, this is going to be a 10-week program where you come for 30 minutes every week. All right, and some of you, your teachers, they may require you to come longer, but that's up to them. Okay. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, best thing to do, contact the team leader at the language center. So usually at every session we have at least 5 team leaders there. Okay, you can ask them a question. You can also ask me a question as well. I'm not there all the time. I try to come there every day to make sure everything is running smoothly. Um, but I also teach classes at the International College. And so if you need to talk to me directly, no problem. The best days to contact me are Wednesdays and Thursdays. All right. Okay, so that about does it. Yeah, so I look forward to seeing you all here at the Language Center. These next, I guess, the next 9 weeks. Okay. All right. So that's about it. So thank you, and see you guys soon.